it's Nikki with Nikki Sweets and Adornments. Come make some fondant macarons with me. I guarantee you they're a lot less finicky. I want to show you how I make these fondant macarons. They make a really cute addition to a sweet one cake or Candyland cake. I take about 24 grams or so of fondant, and then I color in the macaron that I want. I'm just going to knead it and then roll it into a ball. I want to make sure the ball's nice and smooth. I'm going to stick it into my macaron mold. I'm just going to press it just so I get all the nice details. Okay, and then I would cover this and I put it in the freezer. You can do it overnight or maybe for an hour or so. And then it should pop out easily. If I try to do it now, it's just going to kind of squish. So I've done these ahead for you. I take them out of the freezer and then I let them harden just a little bit, like maybe about overnight or throughout the day. They're going to still be soft on the inside, but firm on the outside. I'm going to take a serrated knife. I'm going to cut it right in the middle and just go all the way around. If I tried to do this when it was still real soft, it wouldn't work very well for me. I would smash my macaron. And I'll do the same thing for this pink one. And you do need to just be a little bit careful at this stage. And then I'm going to take some white fondant. I'm going to knead it. I'm going to roll it out, but keep it pretty thick. This is going to be the filling. So about like that thick. I'm going to need 2 of them. And then I'm just going to apply some water on the bottom and on the top. I'll put my filling in. And that's it. They actually look a lot like a macaron. They're pretty cool.